Welcome to The Explainer. Have you ever looked at someone and thought, there is no way they're that age? Well, today, we are pulling back the curtain on the science of your biological clock. We're going to unlock the secrets hidden right at the tips to your DNA that control how fast you actually age on the inside.
So here's our game plan. We'll start by uncovering the invisible countdown that's ticking away in all of our cells. Then, we're going to look at what exactly makes that clock speed up. And most importantly, we'll get into the powerful, practical strategies from what's on your plate to how you move that can help you slow it all down.
So let's kick things off with this big question. I mean, we all know people like this, right? The 60-year-old who has the energy of a 30-year-old, while some people in their 40s already feel totally wiped out. The answer, it turns out, has nothing to do with wrinkles or gray hair. The real secret is buried deep, deep inside ourselves.
All right, let's dive right in. Section 1, the invisible countdown. It is time to get right to the source code and look at what is happening at the very ends of your DNA.
Okay, to really get a handle on this, let's use a super simple but really brilliant metaphor. I want you to picture your DNA, your entire genetic blueprint, as a single long shoelace.
Now, you know how every shoelace has those little plastic tips on the end to keep the whole thing from unraveling? Well, your DNA has them too. They're called telomeres. They are these tiny protective caps at the very end of your chromosomes. And here's the kicker. Every single time one of your cells divides, those telomeres get just a tiny bit shorter.
So, you might be asking, what happens when they get too short? Well, the cell basically loses its ability to divide properly. It doesn't die, but it doesn't work right either. It becomes what scientists call a zombie cell. And these zombie cells are bad news. They just hang around, spewing out inflammatory signals that are a major driver of what we see and feel as aging.
But check this out. Our bodies have this incredible secret weapon. It's an enzyme called telomerase. And get this, it's sometimes called the immortality enzyme. Its one and only job is to rebuild those protective tips, literally adding DNA back onto the ends of our telomeres and repairing that damage. Pretty amazing, right?
Okay, so if we have this awesome repair enzyme, why do our genetic shoelaces still end up fraying? Well, that brings us right to Section 2, where we're going to call out the culprits that accelerate aging, especially after we hit 40.
So, research points to our 40s as this really critical turning point. It's when our body's natural production of antioxidants starts to take a dive. Right at the same time, the wear and tear of life is really starting to add up. It literally creates the perfect storm for our telomeres to start shortening much faster.
And one of the biggest accelerators? Chronic stress. That stress hormone, cortisol, actually puts the brakes on our amazing repair enzyme telomerase. And the data here is absolutely staggering. People under high chronic stress can have telomeres so short that they are biologically about 10 years older than people who are the same age but have low stress. 10 years!
And another huge factor is what we can call the sugar trap. You see, when there's too much sugar in your blood, it kicks off this nasty chain reaction. It forms these compounds with a perfectly fitting name, AGEs, for advanced glycation end products. These AGEs literally make the proteins and even the DNA inside our cells stiff and brittle, causing our telomeres to shorten at a scary fast rate.
Okay, that's enough of the bad news. How do we actually fight back? That brings us to Section 3, building your nutritional armor. Yes, we can literally eat to protect our DNA.
We can absolutely go on the offensive with nutrition. There are some real superstars here. So things called methyl donors like folate and B12 are critical for keeping your DNA stable. Then you have omega-3 fats, which act like a fire extinguisher on all that inflammation we talked about. And polyphenols. These are powerful compounds you find in things like green tea and grapes. They can actually flip the switch on our body's own longevity genes.
But listen, this is so important. It's not just about what you add to your diet. It is just as much about what you take out. Things like refined carbs and certain inflammatory oils, they create an internal environment that basically acts like a telomere shredder.
So, we've got our nutritional armor on. Now let's talk about movement. We're on to Section 4, the Goldilocks workout. Because when it comes to exercise for longevity, it's not about going harder. It's about finding what's just right.
Yeah, the research is clear. More intense isn't always better. In fact, overexercising can create too much stress and do more harm than good. The sweet spot, that Goldilocks zone, is a mix. A couple of strength training sessions a week builds muscle, which acts like a sponge or a metabolic sink to soak up all that damaging extra sugar. And then about 150 minutes a week of moderate cardio is the perfect dose to boost that telomerase enzyme without burning you out.
And we can't possibly talk about repair without talking about sleep. That number you see right there, less than 6, is so important. Routinely getting less than 6 hours of sleep a night is directly linked to having shorter telomeres. Why? Because deep sleep is prime time for your body's DNA repair crew to get to work. So, all of this leads us to the biggest question of all. Is the damage we've talked about permanent? Is this just a one-way street to getting older? Well, let's find out in our final section, as we ask the big one, can we actually rewind the clock?
One of the most powerful ways to do this is through a process called autophagy. Think of it as your body's cellular cleanup mode, and you can trigger it with things like intermittent fasting. When you do, your body gets to work clearing out all those inflammatory zombie cells, which creates a much healthier, cleaner environment for your telomeres to get repaired. But here's the thing that might be the most mind-blowing factor of all. It's probably not what you're expecting. Just read this quote. It's from one of the longest studies ever done on human well-being, and it's incredible. Strong relationships are a better predictor of a long, healthy life than your cholesterol levels. It turns out that social isolation is a massive biological stressor that can absolutely shred our telomeres.
So the big takeaway from all of this is that your biological age is not carved in stone. Your telomeres are like a living diary of your life's choices, how you eat, how you move, and how you connect with others. So the real question isn't how old you are, it's this. What are you going to do today to start protecting your genetic legacy?
And remember, mastering your biological age isn't a one-and-done kind of thing. It's an ongoing journey. Every single small choice you make, like the ones we've explored today, gives you a little more control over not just how long you live, but how well you live, adding more vibrant, healthy life to your years.
If you want to keep discovering more powerful ways to take the driver's seat with your own health, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications. You are not going to want to miss what we dive into next.